Imagine a community where the future of education is being shaped by the decisions made today. The Johnson County School District Board of Trustees recently took a significant step in this journey by approving a series of employment recommendations for August. But here's where it gets interesting. These appointments not only bring new faces to the district, but also ensure continuity and excellence in education. First up, Aspen Monroe was appointed as a full-time Special Education Paraprofessional at Kaycee K-12 School, taking over from Miranda Koch. This change is crucial for supporting students with special needs and ensuring they receive the personalized attention they require. Similarly, Troy Overberg was selected as a full-time custodian at Meadowlark Elementary, replacing Gary Freed. His role is vital in maintaining a clean and safe learning environment for all students. Michelle Rice was chosen as a Coordinated Early Intervening Services (CEIS) paraprofessional at Cloud Peak Elementary School, stepping in for Kasey Mirassou. Her expertise will be instrumental in providing early intervention services to students who may be at risk of academic or behavioral difficulties. Cheyann Pehringer was appointed as a High Needs Paraprofessional at Buffalo High School, further emphasizing the district's commitment to supporting students with diverse learning needs. In the realm of athletics, Caige McComb was named an assistant football coach at BHS, replacing Kaleb Rodriguez. His experience and passion for coaching will undoubtedly inspire and guide the team. Melanie Lund was selected as an activities coordinator at Kaycee K-12 School, bringing fresh ideas and energy to extracurricular activities. Marshall Townsend was appointed as an events coordinator for BHS, and Kelley Glackin was chosen as an activities coordinator at BHS, both roles essential for organizing and managing school events and activities. The board's decision to accept these recommendations as part of their consent agenda underscores their dedication to building a strong and dynamic team of educators and staff. And this is the part most people miss. Each appointment is a strategic move to enhance the educational experience for students. But what do you think? Are there any particular roles or appointments that stand out to you? How do you believe these changes will impact the school district? Share your thoughts in the comments below.